Today, we're diving into a topic that can be a financial lifesaver and a ticket to an incredible adventures: manufactured spending. Have you ever wondered how you can unlock the full potential of your credit cards, maybe for the dream vacation or to handle unexpected emergencies? But stick around, because in this video, I'm going to reveal the secrets of manufactured spending, a smart financial strategy that lets you make the most of your credit cards. Now let's get started by explaining manufactured spending and exploring when is the right time to utilize this powerful tool. Whether you're facing a financial emergency or you're eager to embark on a budget-friendly adventure, I'm going to repeat, budget-friendly adventure, we've got you covered. To do this technique, you'll need a trusted partner or a friend to navigate this path with you. Just like my good friend Will, he helped me out during a tight spot that I had. Life throws us curveballs to all of us, and I've been there too. During the pandemic, I had my fair share of financial challenges. So believe me when I say this technique is something you want in your financial toolkit or toolbox for those rainy days. But that's not all. Stick around, because later in this video, I reveal how manufactured spending can help you plan a fantastic trip for as little as $75, thanks to this incredible rewards offered by credit cards like Chase Sapphire. If you're ready to take control of your finances, unlock the world of travel rewards, and navigate the world of manufactured spending, then let's get started. First, you have to have a platform like Cash App, Venmo, or PayPal to perform this technique. Also, like I mentioned before, you need a trusted friend, and I want to emphasize trusted friend. So the process is simple. All you have to do is ask your friend to request money from you either on either of the apps. For example, if Will requests $2,000 from me, I pay him using a credit card, and he sends it back to me in the form of cash. Remember, I only did this in the case of emergencies. I suggest don't do this in any pleasurable or leisure situations. This strategy could possibly put you in debt if you do it for leisure. So be careful with that, guys. Now, guys, if I'm adding value, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, because it will help us with the YouTube algorithm. Let's cover how you use manufactured spending for traveling. There's one more step in the process. With manufactured spending for traveling, you could possibly go on a trip for under $75, booking the room in the flight. Right now, I'm going to share my screen and show you how you can use this technique combined with your credit card reward programs to travel for $75 or under. So right here, I'm on the chase.com website. And right here, you see two credit cards that are really, really good for travel. You have the Chase Sapphire Preferred, and you have the Chase Sapphire Reserve. In both of those programs, they're offering 60,000 bonus points. But it's after you spend $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. So if you apply for any of these cards in the first 3 months, you pretty much have to spend $4,000. And you can get upwards of $750 towards travel redeemed through Chase Ultimate Rewards for the Chase Sapphire Preferred. And for the Chase Sapphire Reserve, you can get $900 towards your rewards, right? So here is the entire process. To only spend $75 to take your next vacation, the two credit cards just mentioned. Second, you have your friend request $4,000 on PayPal. You pay the request with your Chase Sapphire card, right? Then you have your friend send you the money back, and you use the money that he sent back to pay off your card. So on record, you spent the $4,000 in less than 3 months, and you paid it back to your credit card balance is back to zero. Now you can take this trip with your rewards from your credit card. I hope you guys caught that. But guys, check out the next video as I cover when is the best time to pay your credit cards.